Right now, let's talk about Instagram and like changing the time zone of the iPhone and understanding the Instagram time in that regard. Well, if you are brand new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the next explanations and tutorials like this one. Well, essentially, your general iPhone time can be set in the general settings of your iPhone, and there you can find the date and time. So if you have it set to automatically, it will use your local time, or you can turn it off and switch to a different time zone. And Instagram as an application will adapt that time, right? So the Instagram app will also behave or work within your selected time zone, which gets selected in the setting. The only complication could arise whenever you are scheduling the post, and you might be kind of wondering, like, how does that affect anything, right? But whenever you want to just go there and schedule a post, right? So I don't know, it's going to be whatever. You have the ability to choose the time period, right? So you get to enable the scheduling, right? You're going to continue, and you essentially you can see that you get to pick the selected time, but with the little description there, it tells us that we get to pick the date and time below, and the time zone is based on your device's settings. So this is what I was talking about, right? So when you have the set time to be automatic, it will use your local time zone. And if you have your iPhone generally switch to some different time zone, the Instagram scheduling will also adopt that, right? So that's how you kind of change it, right? And you can like schedule it in a different time zones. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if this is what you are looking for. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll see you later in the next videos.